Hey friends, if you wish to install Internet Download Manager on your Windows computer, then I have a little bit of a bad news for you. This software has been delimited, which means it has been removed, but if you still find it online, then you can use it. So we will go to download and then click on download the Internet Manager and click on open. Wait till the installer launches. Click on next, choose accept the license, next, and let it install. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.